My new toys. Kimmy got lots of new toys on her birthday.
Wow! So many toys! Hip hip hooray! Now let's play! Let us play with the toy train. Coo! Coo! There it goes! Whistle, whistle! Chook, chook, chook! How wonderful it looks! Let us play with the rocking horse. Tick, 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 tick! Hey! Off I go on my rocking horse to lands far away. Let us play with the Mickey dolls. Squeak, squeak, squeak! They make such a funny sound. Let us play with the toy car. Vroom, vroom! It is so fast. Wow! Let us play with the toy aeroplane. How high it flies! It is lots of fun to play with new toys. I'll take my favorite one to my class tomorrow and show it to all the girls and boys.